Hi guys, it's Sam. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an updated what's on my iPhone 12 Pro because a lot of you ask for them and I always love filming these videos. I really like the iOS 14 customizations, as you guys know, and if you want to know how I did anything that I did in this video, I will have my iOS 14 customization how-to video down below for you guys to watch if you are interested. With all that being said, at the end of this video, I'm also going to be doing a iPhone 12 Pro case haul because I thought it would be cool to include that in here as well. So if you are interested in only that, be sure to check the description box down below because I will have timestamps down below. With all that being said, if you guys like the video, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment down below, and let's get into the video. To begin, I have the iPhone 12 Pro in blue. I really like this color. I feel like it is a color that I wasn't sure if I wanted to get for my phone, and then when I did decide to actually pick it up, I was so excited because I don't know, I am obsessed with the color. I think it looks so pretty. I did get the phone right when it came out, like on the launch date I got it because I wanted to have it to unbox and everything like that. So that is the phone. The case that I have is from the brand Sonics. I'll have it on the screen right here, and if I can find it, I'll link it down below in the description. I love this case so much, and it's just a case with a lot of stars on it. I don't know if you guys can see well, but I really like it. Right now, I'm going to move over and I'll have a screen recording next to me of my iPhone. So to start off, this is my home screen. This picture is actually Hannah Malosh's. I love her so much. Her channel is amazing and her photography is so good. I saw it on her Pinterest and I was like, oh my gosh, this is beautiful. So credit to her for that. Literally love her pictures, love her videos. Go check her out. If you don't, I mean, a lot of you probably do because she is the queen, literally the best. But if you don't, then definitely go check her channel out. I'll link her channel down below. But everything you're going to see in this video, if it's not an app, I got the pictures off of Pinterest. I do have a Pinterest. I'll link it down below if you guys do want to follow me. I literally love Pinterest. It's one of my favorite things. But a lot of these pictures are off of other people's boards. So just a little disclaimer, I will tell you guys the boards that I found it off of if I remember, and if not, they will be linked in my board. But know that I'm giving credit to the people's boards that I found it on. But with all that being said, this is the background of my phone when I open it on like the home screen. And then to start off, I have a widget and it just says the day and then the date. I really like this. I think it's really cool to just open your phone and then have that there. I don't know, when widgets came out, I was so excited about them. Then moving on to the apps. So for the apps, I tried to do it in an order of apps that I use the most. So basically I have TikTok. I don't know about you guys, but I cannot do well on TikTok no matter how much I try. So if you're watching this video, please go follow my TikTok. I actually have 3 TikTok accounts because I couldn't figure out if I was doing something wrong on TikTok. So if any of you want to follow me, my TikTok is Hey It's Sam Costa, and then my other TikTok is this one right here. It is called Sam Costa. The Sam has 2 A's and my last name has 2 A's, but I'll have it linked down below if you guys do want to follow me. I love TikTok, but for some reason I'm just not that good at it, but I'm trying to be better at TikTok. Then the next thing I have is Instagram. I'm trying to also grow my Instagram and be more active on there because I really love Instagram right now. So basically this is my Instagram. If you guys do want to follow me, I am trying to do more of a beige aesthetic. I kind of like switched up my theme, so that is what I'm doing now. I also have like filler pics on my Instagram now. Let me know if you guys like those because personally I really do. I think they add a lot to a feed on Instagram, so let me know what you guys think as well. And I've also been filming reels. I love Instagram reels lately, so wanted to include that in here as well. Then I have my Gmail. Gmail is what I use for businesses and like sponsorships and brand deals and everything like that. Then I have photos. That's just my photos from my camera roll. Then I have YouTube. For YouTube, I love watching YouTube. I literally watch YouTube all the time, so that's why that app is there. Then I have Pinterest. I love Pinterest if you guys didn't know. So this is my Pinterest. If you guys do want to follow me, my username is just at Sam Costa with 2 A's with a 3. I'll have it on the screen here. It's also linked down below. But I literally love Pinterest so much. I am literally obsessed. I try to go on it as much as I can because I love it. Then I have YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio is a really good app for creators on YouTube who are trying to see their stats, answer comments, anything like that from your phone, which I really like. Then I have VSCO. I love VSCO as well, if you couldn't guess. But my VSCO is just Sam Costa with a 1. one. I post kind of not a lot on here, but then when I do post, I post like a lot of pictures all in one. So this is what my VSCO looks like if you do want to follow me. Then I have calendar. So for calendar, I use this a lot to check like my work schedule, to check when I have certain things coming up. I used to use Google Calendar, but for some reason I've just been using the one on my phone for right now. Then I have my camera. I take pictures all the time. I've been trying to really take more pictures and live in the moment and everything like that, because honestly, I want to be able to remember everything when I grow older, so that is why I'm doing that. Then I have settings, and then I have the weather. I have been checking the weather so much this week because it's literally been snowing like every single day and it needs to stop. Next, I have a widget. So this is a small widget, and this picture is actually Fernanda's. I'll have her channel linked down below as well. But I saw it and I was like, oh my gosh, aesthetic queen. So I had to put that on my lock screen because I don't know, I just thought it matched my aesthetic. I really like it. So that is her picture. Again, I will link her channel down below, but literally love that. Then on the bottom for like my dock, I have Spotify. My Spotify isn't public because I have like 20,000 playlists and I don't know if everyone wants to see them. I can make it public if you want, just let me know, and then I can like choose which ones I want to make public, so definitely let me know about that. Then I have my messages, then I have the phone app, and then I have Snapchat. I use Snapchat sometimes. I mean, like, I don't use it a lot. A lot of my friends always yell at me because I'm always breaking our streak, and I'm trying not to, but for my Snapchat, I'd like to leave it private. Then on the next page over here, I tried to do it in color order, kind of, but it kind of got messed up. So I have Lightroom. Lightroom is how I edit all my pictures, so I have a lot of different presets. I am going to release a preset soon. I don't know when, and the presets I'm using right now aren't mine. That's why I haven't filmed like a how I edit my pictures or what my preset is, just because they're not my presets, so obviously I'm not going to do that, but I am working on one, and once I finally perfect it, I will release it, and then I will make one of those videos. Next to it, I have Safari. Safari is just Safari. Then I have Twitter. Twitter I literally barely use, but if you want to follow me, you can. Then I have Pixar. Pixar is how I add stars to a photo. So basically what you do is you click a photo that you want to add something to, you hit sticker, and then for me it's gonna be in recents. For you, you can type in just like white aesthetic star and it'll come up, and then I just add it to the picture like this, and that is actually how you add the star and everything like that. That's just how I do that for my thumbnails. A lot of people always ask me, so I thought I would show you. Then I have a widget next to it. This is so cute. It's like a bike with like farmers market stuff in it, I want to say, and a coffee. Oh my gosh, the basket with the farmers market food and then the coffee, so aesthetic. So I wanted to add that in here as well. Then I have another widget and it just says breakfast at Tiffany's. There's a coffee and some breakfast food. I don't know why, but this just was so cute, so I wanted to add it there and have like 3 small widgets on this page. Then I have FaceTime. I use FaceTime sometimes, not all the time. Then I have WhatsApp. So for WhatsApp, I use that a lot for my job. Then I have 1 second every day. That is something that I use to create my 1 second. I'll have my 1 second video linked down below if you want to see it, but literally I just film 1 second every day throughout the year, and that is how I do it because it kind of like puts it into a video for you. Then I have calculator. I use that for accounting and, you know, like school and college and everything like that. Then I have notes. I use notes to plan out my videos, to write things down I have to do for school and for college, just to remember things that I have to remember. Then I have Fonto. That is how I add the text to my thumbnails. Then I have Hive. For Hive, I literally have no idea how to use it, but it was trending on TikTok, so I downloaded it. Then I have my Orange Theory app. I love Orange Theory, literally the best, and that is how I actually book my classes. Next to it, I also got this widget off of Fernanda's Pinterest, and I don't know, when I saw it, I was like, oh my gosh, this is so aesthetic and cute, so I had to put it there. But again, credit to her. I'm not sure if that's her picture, but it was on her board, so credit to her for giving me that inspiration. Then moving over here, I just have all of my like app library. So for example, I have Clubhouse, I have stuff for work like Humanity, everything like that. And then if I come over here, what I have is my screen time. I don't know why, but I really like having that on my phone. Then I have my battery percentage because I just need to know what battery is on my phone. And then I have on repeat, so that is my Spotify playlist. I really like having my Spotify there, and that is just the playlist that I have that I listen listen to the same songs like every single day, so that's why it's called that. Spotify actually made that for me, so thank you, Spotify. I appreciate that. And then my last widget here on the bottom is my humanity widget, and that is my work schedule. So for example, today I work from 2 to 8, and it reminds me that I have to go in to work at 2 and that I leave at 8 p.m. So that is basically everything that is on my phone, and now I will show you all of my cases. Okay, so for my cases, one day I decided to just get so many cases, and I don't really know why, but I'm just going to go through them and show you. So the first case I have is this wildflower little jean print case. I love this case so much. It's so cute, and I really love wildflower cases. The second one that I picked up is this little plaid wildflower case. It looks like this. So cute. Literally love it. Then I also have another wildflower case, and it has butterflies on it. I love butterflies so much, so I needed to get this as well. If you guys can see, it looks really pretty, and I really love how supportive their cases are. None of this is sponsored at all, but I just really like cases, so I wanted to show you guys my collection. The next case I have is this little case right here. It's so cute, and I love the phases of the moon, so I wanted to get this one as well. Then I have this case. This is from Casely, and so is this one right here, but it looks like this. It's just like a marble kind of case. I don't know, I really like this one. Then I got the rest of these cases from Five Below, so I have this star one right here. Really like this one as well. I have a flower one. I love this. The next case that I have is this one right here. It's kind of a silicone case, but it was literally $5, and I really like this one. Then I have this case right here, and also this case. So these two cases are both from the same store. They were $5. I really like this one because it's kind of like clear but also not clear, and then I like this one because it's just simple. So those are all my cases. Literally love them all. I don't use all of them, but I definitely should start switching out my cases more because I should use more of them. With all that being said, I actually have to go now because I have a class that starts in probably like 20 seconds. So if you guys like the video, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up for me. Leave me a comment down below, subscribe to my channel, follow me on all my socials, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.